everybody, I'm Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More. This is a really quick short just to bring everybody up to speed on troubleshooting problems that we're having repetitively when you contact me through the email and I respond to you. And one of the first things that I do is I ask you if you have serviced the stove properly. And I always ask if you've watched our video, due to the fact that a lot of people feel as though that they understand how to clean a stove properly. But what I'm finding is a lot of individuals will watch the video and go, oh, well, I didn't realize this or realize that or have to do this or change that. And the customers out there that are feeling this way could potentially get frustrated because once they get to that point, they want to immediately move on to testing components. Okay, and which is fine, but if you do not have that stove and chimney system completely serviced and cleaned of all creosote blockages and debris, it doesn't matter what you do to that stove. If it's due to an airflow issue from creosote or whatever, affecting the airflow, your stove will not get repaired. You will continuously have issues. And I just recently have had a client that felt as though that, it was not a creosote issue or an airflow problem, and they really pushed the issue that it was components. So I said, okay, fine, I'll put a little time into this due to the issue that he's having. And it got to the point where I had everything covered component wise. And then I said, hey, look, it's unfortunately, you're gonna have to resort back to checking the airflow issues of creosote problems. And the client did find that the horizontal chamber vents that's behind the heat tubes, half of them were plugged up. Okay, they only apparently felt as though that they cleaned half of them, and they didn't realize that they were on the other side. They're on both sides of the stove, and you have to have all of those horizontal ports opened up. Otherwise, your stove is not going to function properly. The next thing is components. Clients have been stating that I have replaced high limits and low limit sensors and combustion motors. And in talking with a client, if they're sending me a video and it's showing me that a combustion fan is acting up or that an air sensor is acting up after they put a combustion fan on, I immediately will ask if the parts were purchased from us, only if I am answering an email back and I just haven't had a chance to look up the client's name to see what we have sold. The components that are purchased from anyone else other than us may be a faulty component. Clients don't like to hear this. They went through all the trouble of putting out the money, dealing with the shipping and waiting for the part, and they put it in and go through all of that. And then they don't want to hear that a component may be faulty after they purchased it from someplace else. I have had recently, and there's videos out there, that components purchased from other people that do not understand Austroflamms and Rikas, they're just going to sell you a component that they believe is designed for Austroflamm and Rika. not understanding that it doesn't matter if you have a combustion motor that you get from somebody else. There's combustion motors out there that are wired wrong, the voltage is wrong, they run backwards, they're not plug and play. You have to put them together. You might not know exactly how to put them together because there's no instructions with these aftermarket parts that are creating so many problems. And once I find that parts do not come from us, then everything's out the window at that point in the way of a replacement component. We are the only Austroflamm Rika parts distributor that literally tests every motor, every part before we ship it out to you. We also make sure that it is a plug and play part, okay? The last thing that you need when you receive a part is to open up the box and you've got yourself a bunch of parts that you have to figure out how to put together, which isn't necessarily that big of a deal. It's just that what you want is you want to be able to buy a part, open up the box, mount it, plug it in, and you're done, right? Okay, so that's cleared up. This video is because there have been a few clients. First off, they won't answer me when I ask, did you buy the parts from us? That right there tells me that they did. They don't want to say that they got the parts someplace else because they might have saved a few dollars compared to our prices. We're not necessarily the lowest price on every single thing that we sell. Okay, that's just the way that it is. Everybody's got overhead, but we put the extra time in that when we get parts in, we literally unpackage them. We test and operate them. I had one client that he ended up purchasing a new combustion fan, and when we sent it to him, he's just like, oh, hey, this must be a used fan because I see that the box has been opened up. No, we test our parts, okay? And we also make sure that you do have proper packaging in some of these parts that are being shipped out these days. The packaging is horrible. And many of you have seen our videos to where shipping companies, I don't know what it is. There must be a lot of disgruntled employees or something, because we have had more damage this season and lost packages than we ever have. Okay? So that's what this video is about. It's just to clear the water. I'm hoping that the majority of you out there are going to see this and understand that you buy parts from us, you are going to have plug and play parts. Okay? You are going to have parts that are guaranteed to work. You are going to have parts that have warranties. Okay? You are going to have support if by chance you cannot figure something out in putting the part back in or whatever, okay? Or a lot of times when individuals buy parts and they take out the old and they put in the new, they'll pull on those wiring harnesses and disconnect a wire someplace. And then they'll be like, hey, your component you just sold us is faulty, doesn't work, I want a refund. Then we have to explain to them, look, our parts are guaranteed. Our parts run. They ran right before we sealed them up and we sent them to you. I'm not trying to be, a bad guy here or too harsh in what I'm saying here. I'm just trying to help everybody understand that we know what's involved in taking a first off troubleshooting to make sure that you get the right part. Then if you have problems putting it in or taking it out, or if you have issues after the part is installed, we know for a fact that those components are working and they are quality parts. Okay, so if you have any questions, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com. We understand that individuals out there that are cold and have a stove that is the main heat source, when it's down, there's a lot of inconvenience and unhappiness, and people can get discouraged. And then when if they don't next day the part, and it takes 5-6 days, whatever it is, depending on how far it's shipped or whether it's priority or second day, that their patience level's pretty short at that point. And if there's any problems after that part is put in, then all of a sudden people have a tendency to be a little bit snippy. Okay, we can deal with snippy, but first off, don't get personal with us, because we help you most of the time free of charge before you buy any parts. And I help some of you out there for days before we determine that you're buying the right part or exactly what part you have to have. Okay, and I get it that after we put in days worth of assistance, some of you will get back online and you'll try to find a better price out there than what we sell for. Whatever. But Julie and I do wish to say, first off, we appreciate you trusting our 35 years of experience. We know what we're doing. We know these stoves inside and out. And we are not a company that is selling just whatever out there. And Austroflamm and Rika parts happens to be something that they got a hold of, and they're trying to make money off of it. And if you look at these companies out there that are cheaper, look at their reviews, okay? Their reviews are going to reflect, and maybe even comments are going to reflect, that I bought this whatever, and it didn't work. The company wouldn't call me back, or they finally did call us back. They didn't have any answers for us. Okay, that's what's going on in our world right now. And we do hope that in trusting your stove to us, in trying to get your heat source up and running as quick as possible, is accurate. And we're hoping that you're going to trust in our parts of being exactly what you need. They are quality parts, and that obviously they work, and that they are plug and play. It's like now, just really quick here, our combustion fans. We now install the motor gasket on the combustion fans, so you don't have to buy a separate gasket. You don't have to install a separate gasket, because it is attached to the motor body. So all you have to do, take it out of the box, put it up on the housing, bolt it back on, run the wires to the motherboard or the wiring block, and turn it on, and Mama's hugging and kissing you all night long. Okay? So we appreciate all of you out there in trusting us and supporting us and allowing us, after we put in so much time of helping you, to buy the parts from us, because that keeps us going. If you think about it, if we put days worth of help into each one of you out there, or whatever time it takes us to assist you in figuring out the problem, if we're not selling parts, eventually it's going to come to an end, because the only other thing that we would be generating income in order to allow me the time to sit for hours or days in order to assist is because we have income coming in from you that are trusting us. Okay? And also remember, if you have an Austroflamm or a Rika and you know somebody that is looking for one of the best pellet stoves ever made, we always seem to have one or two models in stock, and refer them. Have them give us a call. It's like this stove right here. This one's gonna be up for sale in the next few days. And it will be, I'm gonna start putting a video on for quick information of what we have, just to bring the attention out there. Because we had a gentleman that's just like, you know, I've had one of the best experiences with Austroflamm, but I just built a new shop and I want an Austroflamm out there. Okay, well, obviously there is no more brand new Austroflamms being released. So everything that comes from us is going to be refurbished with warranties, with a lifetime of support. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.